Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a menu on your Wix website in 2023. The menu is a crucial navigation element that allows your website's visitors to easily explore different pages and sections on your site. By setting up an organized and visually appealing menu, you can enhance user experience and make it simple for visitors to find the content they're looking for. So in this guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating a menu on your Wix website so you can present your content in a user-friendly pace. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, we'll have to go and sign in to our Wix account. To do so, go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to the URL section, simply type wix.com and hit the enter button. That should take you to the home screen or main screen of Wix websites, as you can see. From here, of course, as you can see, I'll find myself already on my site. So because I already logged in into my account, but for you, of course, if it's your first time, you'll find like at the top right corner an option to log in into your account. Click on it to log in if you have an account. But if you don't, you'll find even there an option to create an account for yourself. So whatever you are going to do, just do it and follow the steps provided from there to log in into your account or to create your account. You can even use Google to prevent yourself from doing all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. If it's your first time, make sure to even familiarize yourself with the Wix websites while you're creating your account. And once you logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Click on the sites or my sites here at the top left corner. Once you do so, of course, you'll find yourself here all the sites that you have. If you don't have any sites, you can always go and click on create a new site to create a new site for yourself, of course, to create the menu on. And if you need some guidance, I've already made a video on how to create sites on Wix. You can go and check it out. For me now, I'm just going to access the Wix editor by clicking on this pencil like icon or clicking on those three dots, then click on edit sites. Both will take me to the Wix editor of my sites. Once I am on it, let's just wait for the page until it loads. Of course, once I access the Wix editor, I will have to simply navigate into the page menu and I will be able to add any pages that I want. So as an example, we are at the moment here. So go to this left panel as you can see and simply go to pages and menu. If you click on pages and menu, as you can see here, you'll have many pages that you have in your template or in your theme. If you don't have many pages, of course, you can always go and add more pages. Example, you can go and add like a blank page if you want to, or any of the themes provided here by the templates that you choose while you're creating your sites. Of course, you can, as an example, look for about page, service page, project page, contact, general, landing page, or even 404 error page. And of course, there's the store page, booking page, blog page, pricing plans, and dynamic page. So whatever you want, you'll be able to add it into your Wix website. So once you add all the pages that you want, you can, of course, name all the page accordingly and organize them based on their category. After that, of course, make sure to reorder the pages if needed. As an example, maybe you want location before about us or something like that. So do whatever you want. So reorder the pages or to arrange the pages in your preferred order. Simply drag the pages and the pages panel, as you can see, to rearrange them. As an example, I'm just going to put the price in here below this book online and etc. And of course, now we will come to the option of customizing the menu or even add a menu first of all. So an example here, we have sites menu. You can simply go here to add a page if you want, but we don't want to add a page. We want to create a menu. So go here at the bottom, and as you can see, add a menu item, add links, anchor pages, and more to your menu. Go and click on that, and as you can see, you can add whatever you want here on that menu that I already have, because as you can see, on the header, I already have a menu here, as you can see. So I can even manage this menu however I want by editing the settings of this menu as an example or doing whatever you want. If you don't even have any menu that you can edit, you can simply go to add elements right here and simply look here for menu. So as you can see, menu and anchor. So make sure to choose one of the menus provided here. So we have here themes menu. So my menu, themed menus, as you can see, horizontal menus and vertical menus. So let's just choose this one as an example. And as you can see, let's say this is our menu. So double click on that menu to edit it. And as you can see, we'll be able to edit the menu because the menu will already have all the pages that we have already. So of course, if you don't want to have anything on the menu here, make sure to go and delete it from here, as you can see, so you'll be able to delete it from the menu. So once you double click on the menu, as we said, you'll be able to edit or delete some pages on it if you want to. Other than that, just click once on a video, then click on the settings right here. You can set it as advanced, as example. And as you can see, when you set this menu to advanced, this item will no longer be synced to this site's pages. So click on set to advanced. And as you can see from here, you'll be able to change the menu however you want. As you can see, what I did actually at the moment, I just make this like contact as a sub menu to this FAQ. So, sorry, let's just double click on that again. And as you can see, I can do it like this by simply just dragging it here to the other name. And of course, this will be like a sub menu. So now if I go here and click on this frequently asked questions as an example, so let's just click on preview. As an example, let's just wait for the preview to come. And here, as you can see, if we just hover the FAQ, as you can see, or frequently asked question, we'll find contact. So it's sub menu to this menu of FAQ. So back to editor here. So once I add my menu, as I said, I'll be able to customize it however I want. I can click on navigate to do whatever you want with my menu. I can simply go and click on settings, as you can see, to like even I can reset the menu if I want to. So if you click on reset the menu, as you can see, you'll get all the things back. And you can even go to this layout to change the layout of the menu, as you can see. So the alignment you can change of that, choose the submenu opens on the left or on the right. Other than that, you'll be able to change the design of it. So as you can see here, you'll have some designs that you can choose from. As an example, let's choose this one. You can even customize the design however you want. So the fill, color, opacity, the border, corners, shadow, text, and space in. You can edit all of that. Other than that, you'll be able even to edit all the design. We go through that. Animations, you can add some animations, example, to your menu. So as you can see, you can add all those animations. So as an example, I'm just going to do that. You can even customize the animation. So the duration of animation, the delay of it. You can even enable this option of animate this menu just the first time, but the second time not animating, or you can animate it however you want, even like many times every time you click on it. And as you can see, you can always see the animation that you choose, the duration, etc. And the last option here just going to be help if you need help customizing your menu, etc. So now just go and add it wherever you want on your sites. For me, I'm just going to place it here in random place, and I'm going to be good to go. Before finishing everything, make sure to preview everything and test everything is working. Once it is working, click on publish and you will be good to go with your menu. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully learned how to create a menu on your Wix website. By setting up a well-organized and visually appealing navigation menu, you can significantly improve the user experience and make it easier for visitors to navigate your content. Remember to regularly update your menu as your website grows and evolves. If you found this video helpful, of course, make sure to leave it down below a like and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one, and I will see you in the next video.